Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix your Instagram's feed not loading. If your Instagram's feed is not loading, don't worry, I'll be fixing your problems in just a few steps. So let's get started. Go ahead and open your Instagram. Now if your feed over here is not loading or anything like that, first of all refresh your feed by scrolling your screen down just like that. And if that still does not work, close and reopen your Instagram account again. Now if that also still did not work, go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and then search for Instagram, then see if there's an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen, or issues like your feed not loading happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Next, what you can do is open your settings app and then search for storage, and then scroll down for Instagram and click on the offload app option. This will free up storage used by the app but keeps its document and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. So yeah, if none of that works, then you will have to delete your Instagram app and reinstall it with all the latest files and bug fixes. I hope this video helped you guys on getting back your Instagram feed working smoothly. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in